Hello, today we're diving deep into Teamwork, a project management tool designed to optimize efficiency. It's an all-in-one platform that supports project planning, communication, task delegation, and more. With Teamwork, you can streamline your process, collaborate more effectively, and get more done in less time. Whether you're a small business or a large corporation, Teamwork could be the solution you've been searching for. Teamwork's key features include task management, time tracking, and billing. It also offers Gantt charts for project planning, file storage for sharing documents, and messaging for seamless communication. There's even a workload feature that helps you balance your team's tasks effectively. All these features are designed to help you manage your projects more efficiently and ensure nothing falls through the cracks. On to pricing. Teamwork offers a range of plans to suit different needs and budgets. The free plan covers basic needs for small teams. The Pro plan, at $10 per user per month, adds more advanced features. For larger teams or those seeking more comprehensive solutions, there's the Premium plan at $18 per user per month. And for enterprises, a custom plan can be tailored to your specific needs. Teamwork is ideal for a range of use cases. It's perfect for project managers who need a clear overview of tasks, deadlines, and team workload. Marketing teams can use it to coordinate campaigns and track progress. Software development teams can benefit from its agile project management features. And for remote teams, Teamwork's collaboration features help ensure everyone stays on the same page, no matter where they are. Now let's discuss the advantages of Teamwork. It's user-friendly, making it easy for everyone on your team to get on board. It's also highly customizable, allowing you to tailor it to your specific needs. Plus, it integrates with a wide range of other tools, so you can keep using the apps you already love. And with its robust features, Teamwork can truly streamline your workflow and boost your productivity. Like any tool, Teamwork has its limitations. While it's powerful, it can be a bit overwhelming for beginners, and although it's customizable, this flexibility can make setup time-consuming. Some users also find its reporting capabilities to be lacking, and while it does offer a free plan, it's quite limited, which may not be ideal for smaller teams or startups on a tight budget. Key takeaways. Teamwork is a comprehensive project management tool with robust features. It's user-friendly, customizable, and integrates with many other tools. While it has some limitations, its benefits can outweigh its drawbacks for many teams. Whether it's right for you will depend on your specific needs, budget, and how much time you're willing to invest in setup and learning the platform. And that concludes our analysis of Teamwork. We hope this video has given you a clearer understanding of what it has to offer. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful videos like this one. Thank you for watching.